here, but no bother. Today Sherry's going to show you just how simple it is to transform that old sweatshirt into something totally adorable that you'd love to wear with a skirt or a pair of jeans or whatever the hell you want. So stick around for that and see you later.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.
For this quick and easy project, all you need are 2 sweatshirts of similar size, your scissors, and your sewing gear. For your first step, grab one of the sweatshirts, flip it inside out, lay it on a flat surface, and chop off that wide band at the bottom. This is going to become your comfortable new off-shoulder neckline. Because sweatshirt material doesn't fray, you can simply leave this raw edge as is for a deconstructed look, or you can simply fold it under and give it a nice clean hem. Next, grab the other sweatshirt, fold it in half with the neckline and shoulder seams evenly lined up, and then go ahead and chop right under that neckline seam all the way to just past the shoulder seam.
Subscribe to my mom's channel, follow her on social media, and buy her ebooks. Yay! Thank you!
Unfold your sweatshirt and you have a perfectly deconstructed flash dance look. Now, you could leave it as is and wear it seriously just off your shoulders, but I want to go for a more finished look, so I'm going to grab that chopped waistband area from the other sweatshirt and put it over top of this one with right sides facing and the raw edges lined up. Once you have everything in place, head on over to your machine and stitch it all together with a tight, wide zigzag. Now, if, like mine, your waistband fabric is not as long as your sweatshirt, you will have to stretch as you stitch so they match up evenly. Once you have the pieces stitched together, go ahead and flip it right side out and enjoy your fabulously comfortable off-shoulder sweatshirt.
I'm Refashionista Sherry, and I absolutely adore how this top came out. I can dress it up with trousers and, of course, wear it with leggings, jeans, skirts, you name it. It is comfy. It is cool. It, has that little bit of zhuzh that I love my outfits to have. If you want to learn more about how to create your own eco-fashion from items you already have in your wardrobe, head on over and subscribe to my Confessions of a Refashionista channel. Everything is over there. I definitely share all of my tips, tricks, and tutorials for how to live affordably, sustainably, because why? Being eco-friendly shouldn't cost the earth. As I said, click the link, pop on over to Confessions of a Refashionista. There are hundreds of totally free yet totally awesome tutorials over there to help you get started creating your very own sustainable style.